Motorola is a very old and great mobile phone manufacturing company. If you also like to buy Motorola phones, then Motorola has brought another great, mid-budget 5G smartphone for you. Motorola's smartphone is going to be the best smartphone in this budget. Yes, we are talking about Motorola Edge Pro 5G 2025. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's start. Features of Moto Edge Pro 5G 2025. If we talk about the display size of this mobile, then you get to see a 6.75-inch Full HD Plus display. Let us tell you that this is a Super AMOLED display, and in this you are going to get touch sampling rate of 240 Hz, with 144 Hz refresh rate. Apart from this, it will also be given in-display fingerprint sensor and IP69 rating. Camera quality. If we talk about the camera quality of this phone, then you have been given an excellent dual camera setup inside it. Talking about its main camera, it is a 50-megapixel camera, with OIS support. Apart from this, a camera of 50 megapixels has been installed on the other side. And talking about selfie camera, a 50-megapixel selfie camera has been installed in the front. Processor. If we talk about its processor, then Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 5G processor has been installed inside it. It is a 5G mobile, which supports 5G SIM. And if we talk about the operating system, you will get to see Android 15 in it, that too with 3 years of OS updates. Battery backup. Talking about the battery backup of this great smartphone, you will be given a 5500 mAh battery inside it, which provides you battery backup for a long time. Apart from this, USB Type-C will also be seen in it, along with 125-watt fast charger. Price or launch date. Lastly, if we talk about the price of this mobile, you can get this mobile for around $400. And if we talk about the launch date, no information has been received about it till now. But according to the leaks, it can be released by the middle of this year.